technical na difference merong yung existence of jurisdiction, tapos meron naman yung exercise of jurisdiction. Sabi ng appeals chamber, nung naging state party ang Philippines sa ICC Rome Statute, ni-recognize nito ang existence of jurisdiction ng ICC. Now, saan yan nakalagay? Nakalagay po yan sa Article 12, Paragraph 1. Kasi nakalagay dun ang mandatory actually. Any state parties sa ICC Rome Statute, they recognize the mandatory jurisdiction ng ICC over international crimes that happened in their territory. Kaya hindi na po nila kailangan mag-consent. Basta state party ka sa Rome Statute,
May jurisdiction.
recognize na merong mandatory subject matter jurisdiction, which is iba naman sa exercise. Yung exercise kasi, ito na yung gumugulong na po yung proseso ng ICC para mapanagot ang isang suspect. So sa exercise of jurisdiction, ang sinasabi ng appeals chamber, dapat po mangyari ito nung state party pa po ang isang state.
Hindi na nga eh.
Yun nga, ang effect kasi ng decision ng appeals chamber, a preliminary examination by the prosecutor, no, na nangyari, nag-open po siya ng preliminary examination noong Feb 18, 2018, is already any matter under the consideration of the court. Kaya part po siya ng saving clause, hindi po siya mape-prejudice ng withdrawal ng Pilipinas. Kaya, pero ang pinaka-implikasyon nito, it's an exercise of jurisdiction. Yung, nagtitrigger siya ng exercise of jurisdiction, yung preliminary examination na na-open ni Prosecutor Fatu Bensouda last Feb 2018. Magpro-proceed na po to trial proper yung all of the 3 counts against Mr. Duterte.